Well, y'all, we are currently over by a rail yard with a bunch of these tank cars. There's more around here, but we got an entire thing of tank cars. There's more down there. Just a line of them. And again, I'm getting as close as I can to these cars. There's one over there. There's also a hopper back there, but it's right there. There's a bunch of cars over there. You can kind of see them. There's a ton of cars over there. Alright, keep on going. We got a load. One flatbed truck there. This is the closest I've been to like a rail yard. See here, there's a couple more. There's like a giant hopper over there. There's gonna be a bunch of them. Alright, so there's a bunch of cars down there. Keep on going. There will be a ton of. And also, over here, check this out. There's like it's like one of those triangle pattern signals right there. See that right there? See that right there? That's one of those signals. And there's a couple more cars down there. Yeah. That's all. Have a good day.